Shade cloth installation accessories. Do you have a problem with the installation of the sunshade net? Don't worry, we have a complete set of installation plans and accessories. Now let's dive in. Our first one is the shade cloth clip. These handy clips securely fasten your shade cloth to various structures. Consumers favor this round clip for its convenience. Made from durable plastic, they provide excellent gripping power, ensuring a tight and reliable hold. But the clips are only suitable for thin shade cloth with a shading rate from 30 to 70 because the holding pins are not thick enough. Thus, we developed the second generation shade cloth clips. These clips have undergone significant improvements. With thicker and sturdier fixing pins, they are incredibly robust and resistant to breakage, capable of withstanding strong winds and harsh sunlight. And its fixed needle has a stronger puncture, so it is also suitable for relatively thick sunshade cloth, such as sunshade net with more than 80% shading rate. Let's move on to the bungee cord. This elastic cord is perfect for securing and tensioning your shade cloth. Made from high-quality latex, it offers exceptional elasticity and durability. These bungee cords may look ordinary, but they do wonders for your sunshade net. They relieve the pressure of high winds and protect them from being torn even in strong winds. Additionally, we offer the bungee cord with adjustable hooks. This versatile variation comes with convenient hooks on both ends, allowing you to adjust the length and tension of the cord easily. It provides a flexible solution for attaching your shade cloth to different structures at varying distances. We have two more fantastic products to enhance the installation and connection of your shade cloth, especially when dealing with mesh-style fabrics. Let us introduce you to S&D hooks, designed to provide secure fastening for your shade cloth. The first product is the S-hook. These hooks feature a unique S-shaped design, allowing them to slide through the mesh openings of your shade cloth easily. They provide a reliable and sturdy connection, ensuring your shade cloth stays securely in place even in windy conditions. Now, let's move on to the D-hooks. These hooks have a distinctive D-shaped design, providing a secure and durable connection for shade cloth with mesh openings. The D-hooks are particularly useful when you need a stronger grip and additional stability for your shade cloth. Last but not least, we present the shade cloth fixing needle. These slender and sharp plastic needles are designed to secure your shade cloth by piercing the netting materials. They offer a reliable and stable connection, reinforcing the stability of your shade cloth structure. And there you have it. A comprehensive range of shade cloth accessories to enhance your outdoor shading experience. Whether you need clips, bungee cords, hooks, or fixing needles, our collection has covered you. Agro specializes in the production of various protective nets and accessories. We have more than 20 years of production and research experience. Visit the Agro website today to explore these fantastic shade cloth accessories and make your outdoor space more enjoyable. Don't miss out on the opportunity to create the perfect shaded retreat. Thank you for watching.